I'm training myself for strawberries. I'm eating them with mud. I'd get cut up with sharp tin sheets in case you don't wake up. Everyone I've ever loved, they turned into doves, setting fire to all my things. Do I ask for too much? Faces in the breeze, voices in the trees, saying, could I become someone who feels free? There's no remedy found in disbelief. Could I become someone who can see? Become someone and disappear. Am I glad or is it sad to become someone that you can hear? I'll rip the seams tomorrow, become someone who has no sorrow. I know I'll have to give back the silence I bought. Faces in the breeze, voices in the trees, saying, could I become someone who feels free? There's no remedy found in disbelief. Could I become someone who can see? The faces in the breeze, the voices in the trees, saying, could I become someone who feels free? There's no remedy found in disbelief. Could I become someone